also return. This bull has waited many years for his chance to father the next generation. Now he must fight his way to the top. But his rival is massive. Each of their heads weighs as much as a car. They have been dueling for days. Now, in its third day, the contest is reaching a climax. Soon, one will be forced to concede. The power of these clashes can even shatter tusks. Three days of battle is at an end. The victor has won the right to the females.